So excited about the new Toy Story Land. It's opening soon at Disney World. Paula Faris got a first-hand look.
We met them over 20 years ago.
Look, we're all very impressed with Andy's new toy.
Toy?
T-O-Y. Toy.
Now, Woody, Buzz, and the gang are heading to a brand new land.
We're just outside the entrance for the brand new Toy Story Land here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. As you can see, still a construction site, but there's a lot of excitement for the June 30th grand opening.
Anticipation is building, even for one familiar voice.
I am Buzz Lightyear. I come in peace.
It'll be the detail stuff that I want to see. What you hold, what you touch. I want to see how they incorporate that live experience. They've moved the bar. It's going to be very exciting.
These characters are beloved, and the worlds that Pixar builds are so remarkable. They're worlds that you want to be in.
A stranger from the outside.
You'll find two brand new attractions, alien swirling saucers.
Hey, Slinky?
Right here, Woody.
And Slinky Dog Dash roller coaster.
Wheezy? Is that you?
Hey, Woody.
Where Wheezy the penguin will be waiting at the end of the ride.
For the first time we're seeing him here in the attraction, moving around. He'll be singing "You Got a Friend in Me."
You've got a friend in me.
Sergeant, establish a recon post downstairs. Code red. You know what to do.
Yes, sir. Attention.
And in Toy Story Land, you never know who you might run into.
Drop and give me 5 good push-ups. Let's
Five
go.
good push-ups? Okay.
And 1, 8, 5. Good work, man. Let's hear some applause for her.
Nice job.
For Good Morning America, Paula Faris, ABC News, Orlando, Florida.
Oh boy, who does not love Toy Story Land? And everybody here in our audience, they're all excited. Look at them, they look good in their outfits. And we're gonna go live now to Toy Story Land where Buzz Lightyear and Sarge are standing by. And Sarge, Michael Strahan here. Do you have anything new to report?
We are here in Andy's backyard. Everything is buttoned down and we are ready to go. All right, spaceman, let's move on out.
All right, he said move on out. That's exactly what they did. You can see it right there. Toy Story Land is open. Watch the view for more behind the scenes. Sunny Hostin will face her fears on one of Disney World's fastest rides.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.